Hi viewer, today I want to show you how to use challenge stickers on Instagram stories. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app, tap camera icon on top left. Now you can capture image or you can upload image from gallery. Just captured one photo. Tap sticker button from top. Here you can see challenge sticker. Tap challenge sticker. Hashtag challenge with I nominate. Here you have to search challenges. Tap A. Immediately you will see all challenges starting with A. Similarly, you can search challenges like B, C and other letters. I like to add stay home challenge. Type S, tap stay home challenge. That's it. Challenge sticker added. By tap on the color button, you can change sticker color. Tap I nominate and type the ID whom you want to mention. You can add more stickers, also you can resize challenge stickers. When done, tap send to. That's it. These are the steps to use challenge stickers on Instagram stories. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.